Not bad for a Thursday. Look at that beautiful morning shaping up. We got a special treat for you today. Let's get going. Cristoforo, where are you going? Beautiful, I'll tell you that right now, it's beautiful. Sun's out, guns out. Got a dual car running right now. We got the truck, fat tire bike in the back. My bro's up front with his fat tire in the back right here. Opportunity has presented itself. We're gonna capitalize on that opportunity. I don't know what's going on with that little wing of a hair right there. We gotta fix that. But you know what we don't have to fix? I'll tell you what, this is real nice. This is pretty. It's pretty right here. Welcome back to Breckenridge. Again, this is Peak 8 right here. This is the newer one. We're staying at Peak 7, which is still really awesome, but it's a little bit more kind of like timber lodge-ish instead of modernized Peak 8. Well, we're skipping Breck today. Opening week at Keystone Mountain. Place is packed. Just kidding. Let's go ahead and get on up. This place is a ghost town. Not too much snow this year, week before Thanksgiving. We're looking good, feeling good. We're gonna be the only ones out there. I like it though. Nice. Get a little tree section here. Bam! Top of Keystone right here. 3.5 mile run. Yeah, buddy. Getting some fresh trails, fresh digs. Ah, we just spotted a moose and her cub. Peak 8 right there. Gonna go hit this Colorado Super Chair. Day 2, Breckenridge, Colorado. Conditions pretty decent. That view ain't too bad though right there, I'll tell you what. Old Slappy in the lead right there. Carving it up real good here. Let's go find some pow-pow right here. Little Grom's flying. Not bad for a Thursday. A lot better than yesterday. We had a little bit of pow. A little bit more stick here. Here we go here, a little local line. Oh yeah. Nice. Tasty little vittles over here in the corner. Finish her off here, last run of the day here. Let's get a little butter in my muffin. Get a little bit butter the muffin. Nice. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, let's get going. Snowboard, a fat tire biking.
Some sticky snow.
Trailhead right here. Okay, because I'm seeing yellow triangles right here. Here we go, baby. Beautiful. Got our bridges, 10,000 foot elevation. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Now we're talking.
Get ready for verse 2, electric boogaloo. You see the truth behind the veil, and you know.
Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Nice.
They're just looking for attention.
Nice. Oh, oh yeah. Oh. Oh boy. Oh yeah. That's it. Woo. Oh boy. Nice. Look at that. Look what you come home to right there. Oh yeah. Good thing I got out here early today. Packed house. Ski lines are just, oh man, it's packed. Goodness gracious. So the room is right over there. Number 7, Peak 7. You gotta just walk a little bit around the corner here to the gondola, meeting up with 8. Again, you just walk around the corner to gondola here, which is gonna take you down a couple football fields to 8, pick up the lift from there. Here we go, baby. Day 3, Friday. 3 days before Thanksgiving, ski days already, snowboard days, whatever you want to call it. Not too shabby be clocking them in. Similar crowds to yesterday, Thursday. We're looking real good. Let's get some rips in. Day 3. That view doesn't suck for a Friday. Good night. Beautiful blue sky riding today. So they just opened up Peak 9 today, which means you can spread out your wings just a little bit more. But again, the mountain goes way over there. I think this mountain's actually bigger than Mammoth Mountain, which is the biggest mountain that I'm used to in Cali. But dynamite, beautiful. Don't get me wrong, I'd love some more powder, but this is dynamite. Good night, blue sky riding. This is what I'm used to in Big Bear, California. I'll tell you what, we're looking real good out here, Breckenridge, Colorado. Breckenridge, Colorado. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. I think the high today is gonna be 45, and if you are snowboarding, that is very warm. You're gonna be sweating a little bit. Oh, by the way, definitely get a pass. So there's a thing called the Epic Pass. If you're, you don't even have to be from Colorado. I'm from Colorado, but Epic Pass, what that's gonna do is that's gonna put you at mountains all over the world. Tahoe, you got Japan, Whistler, you get like 10 days at Vail. It's not very expensive at all, especially if you buy it pre-season. I don't ski or snowboard on holidays, so I don't care about that. I think I paid like $6.50 or something like that out the door. And just understand, if you don't buy a pass, even if you're thinking about going a handful of times, like Beaver Creek last year was like $250 for 1 day, and I'm already on day 3 before Thanksgiving. It's not even Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's still a full week away, or 6 days, and I got 3 days in the books. Last year I only did 5 total, so you definitely get your money's worth, especially if you're staying overnight. Which, thank the Lord, my brother and I were gifted a beautiful place to stay by family friends. My brother did go home, so I'm up here by myself today. So we're gonna get probably maybe like 4 more runs in, go back, get a little work done in the afternoon, get some coffee, maybe go get a little HIIT workout in at the gym, call it a day. Not bad for a Friday. This area here, you can practice your butters. The slow zone here. This is fresh and tasty over yonder here. I think I went the wrong way, but still beautiful. Heading over to Peak 9. Sorry, a little out of breath. Using the facility right now. Friday evening, almost 6 p.m. or like 6:10. Beautiful little gym, 2 Pelotons. Got some nice machines over here in the corner. Scale, dumbbells, weighted balls, cables, whole machine right here. TRX balls, dumbbells up to 50s, flat bench, incline. I am gonna get on the Peloton though. Wings to rise from the ashes. Well, it's been real nice, Breckenridge. Real nice. Time to head on home to the pup. Today's Saturday, and today, you know what I'm saying? It's like, I'd prefer, now the Fat Tire biking trailhead is empty, but we got some cats walking here. It is a really nice day today, Saturday. I'm not much of a, like, you know, let's get out when everyone else is running the town. I prefer weekdays myself just due to my work schedule. And praise the Lord, it accompanies that, oh, the bubbies. But it's a nice day. Couples got their coffees, their dogs, got the gondola running, people on the slopes in front of us. Hey, you know what I'm saying? That's not all bad. That's not all bad. Again, I was at 7, but this is peak 8. This is the more modern one. I prefer this one, but pickers can't be choosers. And if you are wondering, those are the multi-million-dollar homes, probably minimum $5 million that the rich people only use for maybe 2 weeks out of the year. I'm gonna buzz off into this neighborhood again. This is where I came down with my bike last time. The gondola does come up through this area here. This is a really fancy neighborhood here as well. I think I looked on Zillow, these were like $4 million homes, and absolutely stunning. I mean, look at these log cabins. And again, shutters are shut, all patio furniture is put on, hot tub is covered up. Again, it's like, do they do it for tax write-off purposes? Like, what's the synopsis? I mean, there's a few cars over here, maybe Airbnb here, a couple skiers walking up over here. But these are like attached units too. And I think they're going for like $4 million, $3.5 million. We'll go up here and do a little turnaround here. I biked up here in September. And it was absolutely stunning. But look at the landscaping with the trees. Look at all the shutters are shut. All the patio furniture is covered. Look at this one right here. All the patio doors, everything is shut. Patio furniture up here. Nobody's here. 1, 2 cars over there. I mean, yeah, there might be garages, but you would still like open it up for at least a view. But look at that view, man. Good night. Look at that view. I mean, that's why I guess you pay the money for it, you know, but it has to be a tax write-off purpose. Put it in a trust or something like that. There has to be tax benefits. Now, you were saying, Chris, like, who can afford that? You have to understand the world's wealth comes here. The world, not just rich Coloradians. We're talking about people in Australia buy this under their business names. I'm learning a lot more about this, and it's very interesting to learn. But anyway, gorgeous nonetheless. And then you just pick up the shuttle literally around from your property right here, or walk across your street, head down to 8 and call it a day. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.